Campbell's Chunky Creamy Chicken Noodle, video number 7. It's 220 calories per 250 millimeters, so it's over 440 calories. It's 31% sodium, 4% carbohydrates, 4% fiber, sugars 2 grams, protein 7 grams. Ingredients: chicken broth, and then it goes carrots, seasoned chicken, egg noodles, a bunch of other stuff, and then it goes celery, it goes cornstarch, salt, yeast, this, that, blah, blah, blah. Alright. Did not put in the microwave because I'm tired of it splashing everywhere, so I decided to go old fashioned. Takes a few minutes longer, but whatever. Well, depending on how. I'm going to turn up max high and then blah blah blah, but whatever. Chicken broth. How do you like it? Get out a noodle. So I got it from $1 on sale. $1.44 to $2.50. Not sure what location. Let me see here. Try to find the goddamn chicken. Celery piece. I like all the taste. Tastes fun. Here's the chicken. Yeah. Okay, individually. When you take the sauce off and it's just a chicken, can't really describe its flavor. I mean, it tastes like if you've had Campbell's chicken noodle soup, regular noodle soup, or whatever it's chicken, it tastes just like that. So it's nothing unusual. It's just like, how do you explain the taste of, I guess, canned chicken? See, there is a lot bigger piece. You know, like, obviously fresh chicken. Like, I've had that before, Campbell's chicken noodle soup before. So I'm like, the chicken flavor is not unusual to me, but I was thinking, if you're used to having regular, like, fresh chicken, then you have this chicken, be like, how do you explain that taste? And it does taste different from that, but whatever. As a whole, if you put it all together, do I like it? Yes. Will I buy this again in the future? Yes, when it's on sale. And I'm looking for some type of chicken noodle soup.